want to learn how to cook fideo verde con carne and potato, watch this video. This video is for you. Quick and easy. Hey guys, come and cook a new meal with me. Today I'm gonna do spaghetti verde with carne and see me do that. Cause I did it in the past, but I stopped doing it for a while. I stopped cooking that dish for a hot minute. But today, as of right, 1, 2. The spinach, the cream. I have cream cheese, but I'm gonna buy spinach and a can of evaporated milk so I can make the sauce. So keep watching. So I'm putting the spaghetti now. So guys, as it's starting to boil, I'm gonna mix it a little bit so you know everything doesn't get stick together. Okay guys, so since the noodles are done, I'm gonna put in the strainer and take the water out. I'll get back with that when I go to the supermarket and buy and evaporated milk. We're adding the onions, the white onions. So you guys can see. So here's the steak. And this is the final result of the